All right, hey guys. So we're back with this Nadair Industrial again, 56-inch. This is the Nadair that I got out of the flower shop
Flower shop.
back in 2016, along with the Hampton Bay Industrial.
And has not been tested since. Well, the Hampton Bay, we tried testing the Hampton Bay, but it's broken.
Yeah, it seems like it never worked there, and when we tried it spins freely, but when you turn it on,
It hums, but it like tries to keep the fan going, but it's not strong enough.
it's just not strong enough. Yeah,
Is there a thing I have to replace the capacitor?
a lot of water leaked on it, so
Maybe if I replace the capacitor, it'll be good.
maybe, yeah. But it seemed like that Hampton Bay Industrial replaced another Nader 'cause it has a
Yeah.
bell. It has a bell
like,
canopy and it's on two down
It's
rods.
on two down rods at the same time.
Yeah. So, but yeah.
Pretty good condition, except a few minor scratches on the down rod that could be easily touched up.
Yeah.
Alright, well, turn it on low.
Anyways, we'll turn it on low. Have it on the solid state.
Just get. You're still alive.
Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, it's hard in this garage. It's such a mess in here right now.
I tried to clean it. I made up some more space.
Oh, well.
You realize you have to stand up again.
I know.
Yeah, pretty decent low speed.
Yeah.
I'm gonna increase it
Yeah.
like a quarter of a turn.
Yeah. Alright, I guess I'll just stand like this.
Yeah. Alright, do an eighth of a turn.
Every time I walk this way, I'm blocking your view.
That's fine.
It was around this speed or somewhere. This fan always
in your video.
it kept running 24/7. Yeah, I just remembered seeing it from outside. This is the one that always ran 24/7. This fast. Hampton Bay. Hampton Bay was just always off. I never saw it on.
Well, it was just broken. Or unless if I replaced the capacitor. Alright, another eighth of a turn.
Yep. So there's actually a few of these in Montreal.
Well, I mean, there's a small grocery store with 3 of these.
Yep.
One, I mean, you can actually see on Brandon's video. He actually has a video of these. One's near the window, and there's one that's aligned with the one near the window, but on a much lower ceiling. Actually, it's not very high up. I could easily reach the fans with my hand. And there's a third one in the far left corner that has a cord in its way, so the fan never runs.
And there's only one solid state control.
And there's probably another one for the other fan.
Oh.
Because when I went there like in 2022, I controlled the one near the window, but it didn't turn on the one further away from the window.
Oh. Alright, so do another turn?
Yeah. 1/8 of a turn.
Yeah, and weren't there 2 of these with the canopies inverted that got removed?
No.
Were those
They're
ones?
not the same versions.
Those ones weren't the same versions.
I have one of the exact same version of those that you just mentioned.
Yeah, you got one.
It flies.
Was that one of the 17 index?
Yes, that's right.
We're gonna see how this one flies.
I actually repainted mine. Bottom motor was scratched up, so I repainted that over. I might paint the blades too, because those blades are also scratched up. It takes like 2 minutes to get up to full speed. Alright. Another 1/8 of a turn.
Okay, well, the next will be high.
Alright. It's not high. Well, I guess put it all high now.
Yeah, put it full high. I think after that it's just straight to high.
So it's all high?
Yep.
Flies.
Does this move as fast as...
No, well, it does still pushes a lot bigger.
So is mine faster than yours? Or...
No.
Oh, yours is faster than mine?
Mine is probably one of my fastest industrials I have.
Oh, mine is slower than yours.
Yeah, but it's still pretty fast.
Yeah.
It's still above average.
Airflow, wow, it moves a lot of air.
Alright, spin down.
Yeah. Alright, I'll do spin down. So yeah, little did I know I would ever have this fan when I saw it when I was a kid.
Kind of like Brian's shoe store fans,
Yeah.
which I own 2 of them.
Yeah. So when I first got this, I thought it was a golden fan.
Well, it doesn't look like a golden fan. What made you think it was a Golden Fan?
Because of the motor. I thought the motor was a Golden Fan motor, but it turned out I was wrong.
Yeah, motors are not really similar though.
Yeah, so this is actually a Nadair. Nadair made multiple industrials.
And he sold plenty.
This one is from the 80s?
It said
70?
date, I think January. No, I don't know. I'm gonna check.
This, yeah,
So 1983, though.
Oh, it's 1980s. But the ones that look like tats, you know, those ones that look like tats?
Nadair, which ones?
You got one, the Nadairs that look like tats? That have the tat blades?
Oh, that, yeah, I don't know. Mine is not dated. I mean, there's paint like a bit on the sticker, so I can't really tell. But still, it says Nadair. But I don't see a date. But I will say it's between 1983 and 1986.
Oh.
All right, spin announcement complete.
Oh, there you have it.
That's it for this fan.
All right, so, well.
If you guys enjoyed it, thanks for watching.
That is it.
Comment, rate, and subscribe.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.